Foggy headlights aren't just an eyesore. They can also make nighttime driving dangerous. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive kits or professional help to fix them. In today's video, I'm sharing 20 unusual and surprisingly easy ways to restore your headlights to crystal clear perfection. From household items like toothpaste and baking soda to clever DIY tricks, these methods will save you time and money. Let's get started with the first trick. Toothpaste trick. Did you know toothpaste can do more than keep your teeth sparkling? It's also a great tool for restoring foggy headlights. The mild abrasives in plain white toothpaste gently scrub away oxidation and grime, polishing the surface without damaging the plastic. To use, apply a small amount of toothpaste to a soft cloth and rub it onto the headlight in circular motions, focusing on the foggy spots. Once finished, rinse with water and dry the headlight with a clean towel. The mild abrasives in toothpaste work by gently buffing away oxidation and grime, leaving a polished surface without damaging the headlight. This makes it a safe and effective solution for restoring clarity to your lights. Baking soda and vinegar paste. Foggy headlights don't stand a chance with this powerful duo. Baking soda and vinegar work together to lift grime and restore clarity. Mix baking soda with vinegar to form a thick paste. Apply it to your headlight using a soft cloth or sponge, and scrub in circular motions. The baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, while the vinegar's acidity breaks down tough residue. Once finished, rinse the headlight with water and dry it with a clean towel. This method is effective because the baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, while the vinegar's acidity breaks down stubborn grime and oxidation. Together, they create a powerful cleaning paste that's safe for plastic surfaces. Bug spray hack. Bug spray might not be the first thing you'd think of, but it's a quick and clever solution. The same chemicals that repel bugs can also help remove the foggy layer on your headlights. Spray a small amount onto a soft cloth, not directly on the headlight, and gently wipe it across the surface. You'll notice the haze clearing up almost instantly. Just remember to rinse it off afterward to avoid long-term damage to the plastic. The active chemicals in bug spray dissolve the cloudy residue on your headlights, quickly breaking down oxidation. This makes it an excellent choice for a fast and efficient clean when time is short. WD-40 for a quick fix. WD-40 isn't just a household fix-it spray. It can also bring back the shine to foggy headlights in minutes. Spray a small amount of WD-40 directly onto the headlight surface, then buff it with a soft cloth in gentle, circular motions. It removes grime while adding a temporary water-repellent layer that enhances clarity. Although it's not a permanent solution, this method is perfect for a quick touch-up before a nighttime drive or a special occasion. WD-40's versatility and ease of use make it a reliable go-to for fast headlight restoration. Sandpaper method. This next trick might sound unusual, but sandpaper can actually restore foggy headlights. Start with wet sandpaper using a fine grit. 800, 1200, or 2000 works best. Dampen the sandpaper and the headlight surface with water, then gently sand in straight motions. Keep the area wet while you work to avoid scratching. Once the foggy layer is removed, finish with a polishing compound to bring back the shine. It's a hands-on approach, but it gives your headlights a factory-fresh look. Aluminum foil and Coke. Coke and aluminum foil might seem like an unusual pair, but together they create a powerful cleaning combo for your headlights. Pour a small amount of Coke onto a piece of aluminum foil, then gently rub it over the surface of the headlight. The acidity in the Coke helps break down grime and oxidation, while the foil adds just the right amount of abrasion to clean without scratching. Once you're done, wipe the headlight clean with a damp cloth, and you're good to go. This combination works because the acidity in the Coke breaks down tough residue, while the aluminum foil gently scrubs away grime without scratching the surface. Baking soda and water. Baking soda and water aren't just basic. They create a gentle abrasive paste that's perfect for tackling tough fog and grime on headlights. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a thick paste. Apply it to the headlight with a soft cloth, scrubbing gently in circular motions. The mild abrasiveness of the baking soda lifts grime and fog without scratching the surface. Once you've finished, rinse the headlight with clean water and dry it with a towel. This method is effective because the baking soda breaks down tough grime, while the water makes it easy to apply and rinse off. Lemon and baking soda. You might think lemon and baking soda belong in the kitchen, but they're also a surprisingly effective duo for restoring cloudy headlights. Cut a lemon in half and dip the cut side into some baking soda. The mixture will fizz slightly, which helps activate the cleaning power. Rub the lemon directly onto the headlight in small, circular motions. The acidity of the lemon breaks down dirt and oxidation, while the baking soda gently scrubs away the buildup. When you're done, rinse the headlight with water and dry it with a towel. This works because the lemon's natural acid lifts grime, while the baking soda adds extra cleaning power without scratching the surface. Rubbing alcohol, final wipe. After cleaning your headlights, a final wipe with rubbing alcohol can make all the difference. Dampen a soft cloth with rubbing alcohol and gently wipe down the surface of your headlights. This step removes any leftover residue and helps the headlights dry quickly without streaks. It also gives them a polished, crystal clear look while preventing grime from sticking in the future. This final step ensures any leftover residue is removed, leaving your headlights spotless and less prone to attracting dirt. Vinegar and dish soap soak. Vinegar and dish soap create a powerful cleaning solution by combining the grease-cutting properties of dish soap with the natural acidity of vinegar to break down grime and oxidation on your headlights. Mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water, then add a small amount of dish soap. Soak a soft cloth in the solution and lay it over the headlight for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps loosen dirt, grime, and oxidation. After soaking, use the same cloth to gently scrub the headlight in circular motions. Finally, rinse with clean water and dry with a towel. This soak breaks down stubborn grime and oxidation, making it easier to scrub away residue and restore your headlight's clarity. UV-resistant clear coat. Protecting your headlights after cleaning is just as important as restoring them. A UV-resistant clear coat can help keep them looking great. Once your headlights are clean and dry, apply a thin layer of UV-resistant clear coat using a microfiber cloth or a spray can designed for plastic surfaces. This creates a barrier that protects against sun damage and prevents fogging caused by UV rays. It also keeps your headlights shining longer, saving you from frequent cleanings. This protective layer not only keeps your headlights clear, but also extends their lifespan by reducing wear from sun exposure and environmental damage. Polishing compound. Polishing compounds are designed to tackle surface imperfections, making them a perfect solution for clearing up foggy headlights. Apply a small amount of polishing compound to a soft cloth or applicator pad. Rub it onto the headlight in circular motions, focusing on areas with heavy fogging or scratches. The compound works to remove oxidation and fine scratches, leaving the surface smooth and clear. Once you're done, wipe away any residue with a clean cloth and enjoy the results. This method provides long-lasting clarity, making it worth the extra effort. Boiling water rinse. Boiling water may seem too simple to work, but it's a powerful way to loosen grime and refresh your headlights quickly. Start by cleaning your headlight with soap and water to remove surface dirt. Then, carefully pour boiling water over the headlight. The heat helps to loosen tough grime and soften any remaining buildup. Use a clean, soft cloth to wipe the headlight immediately after rinsing. For extra clarity, follow up with another cleaning method like polishing compound or toothpaste. The heat from the boiling water softens dirt and debris, making it easier to wipe away without the need for heavy scrubbing or harsh chemicals. DIY Headlight Restoration Kit. Why buy a restoration kit when you can make your own using items you already have at home? Combine toothpaste, baking soda, and a little bit of water to create a cleaning paste. Apply it to your headlight with a soft cloth, scrubbing gently in circular motions. For extra polishing power, you can add a few drops of dish soap to the mix. Once the grime is gone, rinse thoroughly and finish with a final wipe using rubbing alcohol for a clear, streak-free finish. This DIY method uses everyday household items, saving you the cost of expensive kits while still delivering professional-looking results. Toothbrush and toothpaste detail. When it comes to hard-to-reach spots, a toothbrush paired with toothpaste can make all the difference. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to a soft bristled toothbrush. Use it to scrub the corners and edges of your headlights where larger tools can't reach. The toothbrush's bristles allow you to get into grooves and tight spaces, ensuring a thorough clean. Once you've finished, rinse with water and wipe the headlight with a soft cloth to reveal a clear, polished surface. This technique works because the small bristles of the toothbrush can reach into grooves and tight corners, ensuring no area is left untouched. Hydrogen peroxide and baking soda paste. Hydrogen peroxide and baking soda work together as a powerful cleaning duo for restoring your headlights. Mix hydrogen peroxide with baking soda to form a thick paste. Apply the paste to your headlight using a soft cloth or sponge, scrubbing in circular motions. The hydrogen peroxide helps break down grime and oxidation, while the baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive to remove buildup. Once finished, rinse thoroughly with water and dry with a clean towel. This method is effective because hydrogen peroxide's oxidizing properties break down tough grime and discoloration, while the baking soda gently scrubs away the residue without scratching the surface. Olive oil buff. Olive oil isn't just for cooking. It can temporarily enhance your headlights by filling in tiny scratches and creating a glossy, water-repellent layer that improves their appearance. After cleaning your headlights, pour a small amount of olive oil onto a soft cloth. Gently buff the headlight in circular motions. The oil creates a thin, glossy layer that enhances clarity and repels water. While it's not a permanent solution, it's perfect for giving your headlights an instant boost before a drive. This hack is simple, effective, and uses something you probably already have in your kitchen. Car wax sealant. Car wax forms a protective barrier on your headlights, shielding them from UV rays, dirt, and moisture that can cause fogging and discoloration over time. After thoroughly cleaning your headlights, apply a small amount of car wax with a microfiber cloth. Buff it in circular motions until you've covered the entire surface. The wax creates a protective layer that prevents dirt, grime, and UV rays from fogging up your headlights. It also adds a nice shine that makes your car look even better. This method preserves the clarity of your headlights by sealing the surface, reducing exposure to harmful elements like UV rays, dirt, and moisture that can cause them to fog up again. Acetone wipe. Acetone, found in nail polish remover, can be a powerful tool for restoring cloudy headlights, but it needs to be used carefully. Dampen a soft cloth with a small amount of acetone and quickly wipe it over the headlight surface. The acetone breaks down the foggy layer caused by oxidation, leaving the plastic clearer. Be sure to work quickly and avoid prolonged contact to prevent damage to the plastic. Once finished, rinse the headlight with water and follow up with a polishing compound or wax for added protection. This trick works because acetone dissolves the top layer of oxidation and grime, revealing a cleaner and smoother surface underneath. Hairdryer heat treatment. Heat from a hairdryer can soften oxidation and grime on your headlights, making it easier to clean and restore their clarity. A hairdryer isn't just for styling. It can also help restore clarity to your headlights. Set your hairdryer to its highest heat setting and carefully blow hot air onto the headlight surface. The heat softens grime and oxidation, making it easier to wipe away with a clean cloth. This method can also help remove minor surface scratches by temporarily melting and evening out the plastic. Be sure to keep the dryer moving to avoid overheating any one spot. This trick is a quick and innovative way to improve your headlight's appearance. And that's a wrap. 20 clever ways to bring your headlights back to life. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more car care tricks. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love another one on our channel. 20 Genius WD-40 car hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Be sure to check it out next.